Hi, welcome to Simple English YouTube channel. Today our topic is, that is. Read after me. That is an aeroplane. That is an aeroplane. That is an ant. That is an ant. That is a bag. That is a bag. That is a banana. That is a banana. That is a beetroot. That is a beetroot. That is a bird. That is a bird. That is a blackboard. That is a blackboard. That is a book. That is a book. That is a bottle. That is a bottle. That is a bread. That is a bread. That is a bun. That is a bun. That is a butterfly. That is a butterfly. That is a carrot. That is a carrot. That is a cat. That is a cat. That is a caterpillar. That is a caterpillar. That is a chair. That is a chair. That is a classroom. That is a classroom. That is a cock. That is a cock. That is a college. That is a college. That is a cow. That is a cow. That is a crow. That is a crow. That is a desk. That is a desk. That is a dog. That is a dog. That is a door. That is a door. That is an eraser. That is an eraser. That is a flower. That is a flower. That is a hen. That is a hen. That is an ice cream. That is an ice cream. That is a kite. That is a kite. That is a letter. That is a letter. That is a mango. That is a mango. That is a newspaper. That is a newspaper. That is a notice board. That is a notice board. That is an owl. That is an owl. That is a parrot. That is a parrot. That is a pawpaw. That is a pawpaw. That is a pencil. That is a pencil. That is a pineapple. That is a pineapple. That is a potato. That is a potato. That is a pumpkin. That is a pumpkin. That is a roof. That is a roof. That is a rose apple. That is a rose apple. That is a ruler. That is a ruler. That is a school. That is a school. That is a star. That is a star. That is a table. That is a table. That is a teacher. That is a teacher. That is an umbrella. That is an umbrella. That is a wall. That is a wall. That is a window. That is a window. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.